Journalists often report on breaking news, very new results in science. The new results are not as reliable. The new results have not been extensively tested for a long period of time. So we cannot be sure that those new results are correct. If journalists want to report things that are known to be correct, they should look in textbooks and report what's in there, not what the breaking news is, the new announcements that have not stood the test of time. Science cannot make judgments about whether something is good or bad because there isn't the kind of information available to make those kinds of judgments. Science looks at evidence, tangible evidence, things that we can see or perceive with our senses, and draw conclusions based on what we see and the results of experiments. There's no experiment we can do to decide if something is good or bad. Well, intelligent design is not science, for one thing. Intelligent design is the idea that there are certain things in nature that are so complex they could not have arisen naturally. And therefore, we shouldn't even bother trying to understand how they could have come about through natural processes. That is an anti-science attitude. That's saying, don't even try. Well, that's not the way scientists work. Scientists try to figure things out. And just because we haven't figured one thing out doesn't mean that there isn't an explanation that will come along sometime in the future. We have learned that from past experience. Over time, there have been many things we did not understand, but then we came to understand them. And the idea of intelligent design does not take that into account. And again, it is not science for that reason.